Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a way that you can place all of the all the keystones in Prodigy. This is absolutely insane. I'm not sure how I did this, but I'm going to be showing you the exact process you need to do. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. Not very many of you, I'm pretty sure like 8.2% of you are, but anyways, let's just get into the video. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is go over to the left. And once you're there, you're going to want to go into this shop, which will bring you to some clothes. You want to go here and buy the chicken hood. So once you have done that, you can go down and go to your house, which there is something that you need to do there. So you will need to place 3 presents. I'm pretty sure I've taken off the presents, but 3 presents you need to put into your house. So one here, and then another one wherever. So once you have done that, the next place that you need to go is the epic subspace. Once you are here, you're going to want to go into the rainbow parted one, and then go out, and then go to the other one. So once you have done that, then you need to press on the arena. So you go to the arena, and here you win a battle with getting 3 or more questions wrong. So then once you do that, a letter will appear in your mail. I deleted it because I'm stupid, and it will send you to this link. And yeah, so that is how you do it. This is an April Fool's joke. So yeah, that's going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I really hope this helped you, and bye.